this is something I like to drink every morning. It's a hot cocoa that has turmeric in it. So the way that I make this is I put 1 tablespoon of this organic cacao powder by Z Natural Foods. Like I said, I buy this on Amazon. I like this one because it actually has a good amount of protein in it. So 1 tablespoon has 2 grams of protein. It also has 6% of your daily recommendation of iron. It has potassium as well. So this is just a really good quality organic cacao powder. So the way I do this is I put 1 tablespoon approximately of the organic cacao powder into my cup. Then I take my warming spices blend that I made and I do 1 teaspoon of that into my cup. And you can drink this without any sweetener, but I do like to add a little bit of stevia. This helps mask that turmeric flavor, and it just makes it nice and sweet without adding any sugar. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of stevia liquid, but you can also use the stevia powder as well. Then I take some hot water. I fill it up, depending on how creamy you like it, about halfway. Stir it. Then I add a little bit of like organic non-dairy milk. This is a organic soy milk from Trader Joe's. I like this one because it has 9 grams of protein and doesn't add any sugar. And it makes it nice and creamy. Whoops. Okay, and there you go. This is a hot chocolate that has the turmeric in it.